I will try again, fail, and try again until I find a path to success. Hi, my name is Thibaud Le Séguillon, and I'm joining Industrya. I'm going to manage this fund. That's correct. I have 2 degrees, one in engineering in electronic and computer science, and one in MBA in France. And then I started directly in the US for a small, medium-sized company in very high-tech electronics. I worked 11 years in the US, both in Chicago and in Boston. And then I spent 5 years in Shanghai, in China. And then I went 9 years in Dresden, in Germany. Very different culture, but people are people. Be it an American, a Chinese, or a German, they are just people at the end of the day. In my previous job, I was working for a large startup in Dresden, in Germany. And with my team, we were able to raise 82 million euro, which at the time was one of the largest fundraising for deep tech in Europe. My alarm clock, obviously, but I love to work with interesting people which bring me something. I love to coach, I love to help people, but I love to get something from my interaction with other people. Dynamic, international, and very stubborn. My biggest quality is perseverance. I will try again, fail, and try again until I find a path to success. I'm very impatient. The world is moving, things need to happen fast for me. The environment that John Cockerill and its partners have put together is extremely supportive of the startup scene here in Belgium, in Benelux, in France, and in Germany. And I felt I could be part of that and bring some value to the journey we are going to have with the startups to build a better world. I think I bring a unique combination of having worked for a large industrial group, very similar to John Cockerill, but I also work and I manage a startup 9 years in Dresden, a very large startup. At the end, we were 150 people. So I have both the knowledge of corporate group and the knowledge of startups. And I think I can bring that to startups to help them understand what large customers are expecting from startups. And I can bring to John Cockerill a better understanding on how to work with startups.